In this video, I will show you how to create alarm in your system. So first, we will add some demo tag. So I will insert one demo tag. Also, I will insert two internal tag. So this demo tag will be sinus value, and internal tag 1, I will choose integer, and internal tag 2 will be boolean. Okay, so the first one, demo tag 1, is tag sinus. First one, internal tag 1 would be integer. And we have one boolean. Okay, so if you want to make alarm for these three signals, you can directly insert, you click on the signal you want to add alarm, and you insert alarm. So we have different kind of alarm. We have the analog, deadband, digital, discrete, and rate of change alarm. So let's make an analog alarm for our sinus. So this alarm here, I can set the property. So here we have automatically the parents dot value. So it means that is the value of its parents, which is tag sinus. Then here in analog tab, I can choose the different threshold for different kind of alarm. This is a low limit, high limit, high limit. So for each threshold, I can write a message. This is a low limit. Here's a low limit. Here we have a high limit. And here we have high limit, which is very low. And this one is very high. And return message is when everything is in normal condition. So for severity, I can choose different. So for low limit and high limit, only have medium severity. I can choose for each if it's event or alarm, and if the operator need to acknowledge or not. I can also choose to have delay for the alarm in milliseconds, and also deadband for the variation. Okay, so this is okay. One important thing for the alarm is to set area. So for the area, we have one property which is area name override, and I can set area name, for example, area 1. Also, I can insert one alarm for boolean. So I insert one digital alarm. So automatically it will take the permanent value. And here, digital alarm, I check here. And for true, boolean true, I say the tag is true. And return message, the tag is false. Okay. Also for area name override, I can write area 2. And for the integer, I can insert one other kind, which is discrete alarm. So this discrete alarm also take automatically the parent set value. Then in discrete, I can have different set condition. So for example, here the value will be integer, one, two, three. And here I can have value from intermediate. So I can copy here. This one will be open, close, foot, open, close, and foot. I can choose for each of them if it's alarm or event or return. And also can change the severity. And I can also choose a return message here, but in my case, I only want to have this kind of alarm, so I can treat them as event. If these subconditions are not alarm, it's just some event, I can just choose the type here as event. If they have alarm, I should have other case which is not listed but possible, then I can have my return message. So I have three kinds of alarm. How to show the alarm in the system? So to do this, we need to insert one alarm server in our project. This alarm server also have some property. For example, I can store the alarm event in database. So I can choose, I have no database right now, so I can make one database connection. So here I can choose my SQL server. And then in my alarm server property, I can pick TB1. The table name is alarm. And then I can choose to discard data from the last month and also to backup the data. Also, I can choose which field I want to record or not. I create table is successful. So now my alarm is also recorded in database. But now there's two ways to show the alarm in the system. The first way is to show the real-time alarm. So for real-time alarm, we have one component. The name is history alarm. And this component is very easy to use because I only can go to property and I can choose the alarm server, which is unique in my domain. And also here I can filter by alarm area. So first we left the filter empty, and we can choose only alarm or on event or alarm and event. So let's choose alarm and event. And also I can filter by severity. So now I want first to show the value. So I will choose to show the value here. So the first one would be a display to show the sinus. So this one will be connected to data sinus value. and the second one will be connected to the Boolean, and it will be bidirectional, and the other one will be connected to my integer, and it will be also bidirectional. So the user can set the value and also read the value. Okay. So we can run. So already here I have some alarm in my system. So I have the discrete alarm for the integer to say that it's intermediate because the value is 0. Value here is 0. So if I change this one, the alarm will change this condition here also active, but the value is 1, which is open. If I change the 2, we have close, 3, fault. So this is my discrete alarm. Here, this is the Boolean alarm. So we have false, can change to true. Then here we have one more signal. Here, discrete, digital here. Digital alarm, the tag is true. If it's false, it's not alarm. So it will be not active. The tag is false. Active condition, no. True is active. Also here, you can see we have the digital alarm, which is, sorry, the analog, which is by level. So it will change, the message will change because we are just passing all the condition from low, very low, high, very high. So these components only show the real-time alarm. If I want to show the historical alarm, I can use history rather. And I can make a property here. I can configure the property and I can make a new query. This new query will pick TB1 and I will choose the alarm and I will pick what I want to show. Like for example, area, message, in time, out time, egg time, act, okay. Then I can just change here, make it wider. I can change the format if I want, and also the color, background and color, foreground. So here I have the information I choose to display. I can also choose to refresh every 1 second. So now I have all my alarm in database here, and we have refreshing every 1 second. So we have new alarm coming every second. So I can check here. Also, it's possible to apply filter. We can also apply filter if I want to filter by area, by date, by message. I can also apply the same filter. So this is how we create alarm and how we show alarm in a system, real-time alarm and historical alarm by reading from database.